nature. Next one. Students, stop writing. Take a look slide only. Then answer to me which one is nature. Stop writing, please. Stop writing. Which one is nature? ให้ดูว่าอะไรต่อไปเนี้ยคือธรรมชาติคือ nature ไปดู I have to give a picture to show you. Student, take a look. This picture, then compare and answer to me which one is nature. Okay? What is this? Is a ice cloud. What is this? It's cheese bread. It's cheese bread. Which one is nature? Cloud or bread? Which one is nature? Cloud. Okay. Tell to me in sentence form. Cloud is nature. Repeat after me.
Cloud is nature.
Cloud is nature.
Cloud is nature.
Okay. The next answer. You have to answer to me. Write this. Write this form. Okay. This one. Take a look. This. What is it? Snow. What is it? Snow and snowman. Which one is nature?
Snow is nature.
Take a look. Yes, snow is nature. That's right. Snow is nature. It's not snowman because snowman is made from people. From people. Yes. Okay. Next one. Take a look. This. What is it?
Sun.
The sun.
The sun.
What is this? A ball. A ball and the sun. A ball and the sun. Which one is nature?
Sun.
The
sun is nature.
Okay. Oh, sorry. นะครูผิด เนี่ยขอแก้ไขนะคะ ขอแก้ไขเนื้อหานิดนึงค่ะ โอเค ครูผิดเอง ครูผิดเอง โอเค a ball and the sun. Which one is nature?
The sun is nature.
Yeah, the sun is nature. And next one. Take a look. This. What is it?
Mountain.
Yes, mountain. Next picture is pyramid. Pyramid. Which one is nature?
The mountain is nature.
Yes, mountain is nature. The mountain is nature at the same. Okay, take a look. Next. What is this?
Land.
What is this? Orange juice. Orange juice. Which one is nature?
Land is nature.
Yes, rain is nature. Very good. Rain. Orange juice. Next one. What is this? What is this? Nắm khẳng. Ice. What is this? Dew. Which one is nature? Which one is nature?
Dew is nature.
Yes, dew is nature. It's not ice because ice is made from people. And next one. Take a look at this picture. What is it? Road. Okay, road and beach which one is nature okay that's right beach is nature okay practice to say นะมาฝึกพูดกันนะคะเวลาเราไปเห็นธรรมชาติเนี่ยเราอยากจะรู้ว่าอยากจะบอกว่าตรงนี้มันสวยงามยังไงเดี๋ยวเราดูว่าเราจะพูดยังไงstudent take a look this okay student in each classroom break group of 4 in this classroom also break group of 4 Children first you are group 1 next group 2 next group 3 and last group 4 okay when you see the beach the green beach student can say write this I see the beach I see the beach ฉันเห็นชายหาด it looks beautiful มันดูสวยงามมากนะคะมันดูสวยงามนะคะลองพร้อมกันค่ะ I see the beach
I see the beach
it looks beautiful
it looks beautiful
okay group 1 say
I see the beach it looks beautiful
group 2 say Group 3 Group 4
I see the beach it looks beautiful
Okay take a note this your notebook write this your notebook Okay, finish? Finish, not finish? Finish. Who has not finished? Raise up your hand. Okay, nobody. Take a look. Next. What is it? Rainbow. Okay, repeat after me. For group, repeat after me. I see a rainbow.
I see a rainbow
It looks beautiful.
it looks beautiful
Okay, group 4. Group 2.
I see a rainbow. It looks beautiful.
Group 1.
I see a rainbow. It looks beautiful.
Group 2. Group 3. Group 3.
See a rainbow.
มีด้วยนะคะกวาดสายตาเร็วๆนะอันนี้ไม่ต้องบันทึกcheck a look this on group repeat to me I smell a flower
I smell a flower.
it smells good
It smells good.
ก็ one
I smell a flower. It smells good.
smells
Smells.
group 2 and group 3 go It smells good.
It smells good.
Go for.
I smell a flower. It smells good.
It smells good.
It smells good.
Smells
Smells
good. ฉันดมกลิ่นดอกไม้มันกลิ่นหอมโอเค check a note this full stop นะคะอย่าลืมนะคะ full stop okay everyone finish yes or no yes let's move take a look this picture then repeat after me I hear a singing bird it sounds wonderful okay go for on student repeat after me again I hear a singing bird it sounds wonderful listen to me carefully okay once again I hear a singing bird it sounds wonderful okay good one
I hear a singing bird it sounds wonderful
very excellent group 2 and group 3 โอเคฉันได้ยินนกกำลังร้องเพลงเสียงมันไพเราะ it sound wonderful โอเค take a note thisถ้าได้ยินอะไรก็บอก I hear let's move all right okay move to this focus on adjective student you know what is that mean adjective what does adjective mean adjective คืออะไรคะ adjective adjective คืออะไรคะ adjective ในภาษาไทยคืออะไรคะคำอะไรคะ adjective ตัวนี้ a d j e c t i v e adjective ก็คือคำคุณศัพท์นะคะเขียนหัวข้อลงไป adjective แล้วก็วงเล็บว่าคำคุณศัพท์คำคุณศัพท์มีหน้าที่อะไรมีหน้าที่ขยายคำนามให้มีความหมายที่ชัดเจนยิ่งขึ้นให้เป็นความหมายที่สละสวยยิ่งขึ้นนะคะ adjective ขยายความคำนามนั่นเองนะคะฉะนั้นขึ้นหัวข้อว่า adjective แล้วเนี่ยก็ขีดเส้นใต้วงเล็บว่าคำคุณศัพท์เรียบร้อยนะคะเรียบร้อยแล้วเงยหน้าขึ้นมาเลยค่ะ student repeat after me the first word of adjective clear clear student say clear clear thick thick